Hey guys, so we're back in our awning manufacturing space. So this is where our sewer and welder works. This is actually our sewing room. So as you can see here in front of me, we've got a couple extended sewing tables, our sewing machines here on both ends. We're able to make full runs of fabric here in this room. A couple of our finished products behind me. So these are just coming out of manufacturing this week. Brand new build. So we've just welded these frames here on site. So we have a welder who's been with us now for a little over 4 years, and he is very proud of his work. So we do a lot of high quality products here. We can do things from flat metal canopies, architectural canopies, or even the good old-fashioned awnings. So we can do a little bit of everything. One of the most interesting things to me when I took over this business was the fact that we don't just do awnings in the sewing shop. We can do clear curtains, we can do shade curtains, we can do pergola covers, we can do trellis covers, we can do all sorts of different things with fabrics because we have the ability to do custom work right here on this table. It's almost if you can think it and dream it, we can make it, but we also have that experience to say, hey, we've done this before. You don't want to do that application. It's laid out here. These are our clear vinyl curtains. So this is an in-house product that we make. These are all over restaurants like Dockside, Sears Landing, tons of places down in Southport. We're happy to partner with them year in and year out. So whether it's a restaurant, you're needing to be able to stay open to keep your revenues generated, or you're just a homeowner and you say, you know what, I love my patio. I want to be able to use that patio 12 months out of the year. This is that product that enables you to be able to have the curtains there when you need them. And if it's 85 degrees outside, you can either quite simply roll the curtains up like you see into our hand roll-up straps here, or you just simply remove them and the tracks stay in place and the curtains can be removed, stored nicely, and brought back out when you need them, whether that's to protect you from pollen, water, from a rain shower or a rainstorm, or even some colder weather like this year we had a little bit of snow. With the clear vinyls, that sunlight's able to penetrate through and keep the cold air on the other side. So while we're back here, I want to focus a little bit more on our abilities and what we're able to do here. Some awning shops are forced to purchase all their products and not make anything in-house, and so whenever you run into a very specific niche setting, we're able to do some of that custom work. And the reason we're able to do that is because we have the tools here in Wilmington to do this work. Right behind me here is one of our heat welders. So what we're able to do with this machine is whenever we have vinyls, whether it be a clear vinyl and we're needing to extend it, or some of our other vinyls that are not see-through, we're able to take the two materials here, bring them down into our heat welder and bond those fabrics together. So as opposed to a stitch, whereas when we poke holes through the fabric with the stitching on the sewing machine, it's going to allow water to fall through that. We're not going to have that issue whenever we're using our heat welder. So for a heat welder, that just expands. We're not just working within the woven acrylic fabrics, we're also able to spread out a little bit further from this umbrella line and use some heat welding techniques to be able to give you that good seal and still be able to provide some waterproof properties.